Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Melissa and I'm so happy that you're here. Today I'm doing a review on this Color Workshop palette. It's a very pretty purple palette and it looks like this. You guys are gonna see my expectations were not very high before I started this, but guys, wait till you watch this video. This palette, not only does it have a mirror, it has shade names as well, and look at the shades. Just I think you can use this palette basically for anything, really. But since spring is around the corner, I think you could use a lot of the shades for spring, and I'm so excited. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let's just get right into this review. Hey guys, okay, so as I said in my intro, I am going to review this Purple Color Workshop palette. I got this for Christmas from my cousin, and I'm hoping that doesn't fall out, but yeah. It only has, I'm a little worried because it only has one matte shade and the rest are like shimmers. I mean, this other brown one right here doesn't really look like a shimmer, but it kind of does, like when you look at it. Like on camera, that does not look like a shimmer at all, but it, well, maybe it does. Okay, well, anyway. The thing that I do like though is that they have names. I just taped the names on the mirror, and yeah, I like that aspect. I'm going to swatch these for you guys, and we're gonna see how they swatch. Okay guys, this, oh my god, I am still blown away at how good this swatched. Like, okay, this is the top row and this is the bottom. I kind of did it backwards, but it's okay. These shadows, when I picked them up to put them on my arm, oh my god, was it creamy. And look at this pigment. This is actually the first palette that I have swatched for you guys that has been this pigmented. Like, oh my. Even the matte. This one right here is the matte, and oh my god, do you see that? I mean, guys, this is just, ooh. And when I say creamy, I mean creamy, okay? Creamy as some creamy peanut butter, okay? Like, maybe even creamier than that. Like, this junk is no joke, okay? It's no joke. Alright. Now that we're a little situated, okay, I am so excited to take into this palette. Okay, so the first shade that I am going to take is Georgia, and it's going to be taken on my blending brush. And oh my Jesus, okay. We're going to put this in the crease. Okay, and the next shade that I'm going to take is Light Dew, and I'm still going to take on my blending brush, and I'm gonna put that in my outer corner and in my crease. I'm going to go back into Georgia with my blending brush and focus that on the outer corner to smoke out. And I'm going to take my flat brush to highlight my brow bone, and I'm going to take the shade 16. Okay, and I'm gonna take my finger on one of these shimmer shades because I've been using the other shimmer shades with brushes, and to be honest, you kind of lose the sparkle, but it's okay if you want to use like them for like a in your transition to just kind of like blend it together, it's good to do that with. So with my finger, trusty finger, I am going to take the shade After FX, and if you can't already tell, I'm creating a spring look. Oh my god. Let me just show you guys this. Like, can we just talk about this for a minute? Like, oh god. And I'm gonna put this on my lid. Because I need to chill out a little. Okay. With a smaller blending brush, I'm going to take the shade Power, and I'm going to just, oh my god. And I'm going to put that in my crease just to deepen it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take my blending brush and blend this out. So I'm loving it so far. We're going to move on to the lower lash line. If y'all haven't noticed, my face makeup is already on. And I'm going to take the shade Georgia and Light Dew together and put that on my lower lash line. And I'm going to take Georgia and put that in my outer corner. Okay. Oh. For inner corner highlight, which I'm so excited for, I want to see how these shadows react to being wet. I'm going to take the shade 16. Okay guys, I'm going to put on my lashes and my eyeliner and my lips, and I will be back and tell you my full thoughts on this palette. Okay guys, we're back and better than ever with the lashes on and everything else is complete. Okay, so my final thoughts on this palette. I'm loving it. I really am. I think it's a good palette for Well, Easter's coming up, so I think it's a good palette for that. And I also think it's a good palette for Christmas as well. I will definitely be using this around the holidays. I think that you could create a lot of interesting looks with this palette. I did not expect this palette to be this good and this pigmented. I honestly thought it was going to be worse. Especially since my last two palettes that I swatched for you guys and did a review for did not turn out good, but the looks came out good. So I love this palette. A hit. You need to get it if you can get your hands on it. I'm not even sure if it's even in stores right now or whatever, or if it's on the website. If it is, you should totally get it. This palette, I live for. I die for this palette. Like this palette's a very good palette. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I've been meaning to tell you guys in my other videos, but have been forgetting, so I wrote myself a little note. But anyway, for everybody to know, I upload every other day. Every other day you get to see my beautiful face. And you get to see new content from me, whether it be makeup or tags or challenges. So yeah, I hope you guys stick around. I hope you subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys are having a great day because it's raining by me and it's really depressing me. But anyway, hope you guys are having a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye.